Well, welcome back to Footsteps and Tire Tracks. And have you got the T5 with a squeaky door? Does yours do this? We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures. And if you have, there you are, you heard it then when I opened it up. Right, so what we're going to do, remove that plastic cap there, and we're going to put some grease on it, work it in, and that should cure it. So we get a flat screwdriver and just lever it underneath. You can see, just gently lever it. It's a plastic cap. Just gently twist it, and there it is. Comes off. Now you can actually see underneath, looking a bit dry and rusty, so we're going to apply some lubricant to that, and hopefully that should sort it. Okay, so we've sprayed some WD-40 in it, and this is freed off now. You can see it's like moving, so we're going to just work out a little bit just to get him some more in. So we're going to put some more WD-40 down, and don't have to put loads, just enough to let it seep down, so we clean all the rust and crap out of it. You can see it coming at the other end all dirty, so we'll get that. We'll just work the door a few times, and hopefully that'll stop it squeaking. Yeah, it's starting to get better now. So after we'll clean it right up through again, put some grease in it, and hopefully that's going to take away the squeak. So we're just going to use some standard multi-purpose LM grease. I'm just going to work that in. Okay, so you can see I've cleaned it all off now, and listen to the door now. You can hear that there, look at that, no squeaking. So what we're going to do, put the cap back on, that's job done. Come into place. Just wipe all clean again. There we are. Job done. How simple was that? There you go. I hope that helped you, because that was something that was really annoying me, and I'm sure there's lots of us out there, because these vans are getting on a bit now, aren't they? And it was annoying you as well when you open your door and it squeaks. So simple. See you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves. Bye.